Hi, my name is John Martins, and this is my 112 term project. I made a game called Kitchen Nightmare. It's about a chef who's trying to survive from rogue vegetables trying to kill it. It's an infinite dungeon game, so you go through the levels and you go deeper and deeper, and the enemies get harder, and you just try to survive as long as you can. So here we have the controls. I'll start. So here we have the character who moves around, and we can shoot tomatoes with the mouse. If we switch weapons, we can shoot spatulas or soup cans, but since we don't have any of those, it won't shoot. Yeah, so let's go. We're on level 1 right now, and we have full health. So we can shoot enemies, and if we get to a certain distance from them, they'll chase us around. Right now, since it's level 1, it only takes 1 shot to kill us. And each map is randomly generated with obstacles. Here we have cabinets in L shapes, randomly generated. But in the next level, you'll see they're different. We have some squares and stuff like that. So we can't actually leave the room until we've killed all the enemies. So right here, I can't leave the room, but once I kill these 2 guys, I can actually go back to the other room. And if you noticed, it's the same configuration as before. So here we have this room, which I just killed all the enemies in. And now we'll go to the next room. So here I kill the enemies. And we'll be able to see that in the last room, at room 4, we'll have a boss. He randomly attacks us with attacks, but since it's level 1, the attacks are quite slow. So here we have him shooting onions. Once we kill him, we get 100 coins, and we can press space at this ladder to go to the next level. So now we're on level 2, and we have some money, so we can go to the shop. So here we have our money, and we can buy 10 spatulas for 15, so I'll buy some of those, some soup cans, and here we can increase our max speed, which I'll do twice just to show you. Max strength and max health as well. So here I'm a little faster, and we can shoot tomatoes, or spatulas, or soup cans. Alright, now as you progress through the levels, enemies get harder, they spawn more frequently, and they have a larger attack radius. Now at level 5, we start to acquire more enemies other than these chasers, and the boss gets significantly harder. So we'll jump to then, and you'll see you guys at level 5. Alright, so at level 5 now, enemies start to get more hard, and new enemies start to spawn. As you can see here, a power-up has dropped. After level 5, since the difficulty gets a bit harder, power-ups are more frequent. And so we have here, this is the speed power-up, and as you can see, we have 10 seconds on the clock, and my character is very fast, and it also carries between doors. Yeah, as you can see, I've used my spatulas and cans, so we fortunately don't have those anymore. But also, as level 5 progresses, as you can see, it's more difficult. I'm losing more health significantly. And the boss is also a lot harder. Here we have the boss. He moves quicker, shoots more frequently, and can even spawn enemies. We'll see if we get him to do that. If I can survive long enough, at least. Here. Alright, so once we kill the boss, it's the same thing over and over again, and I guess you just keep trying. So thank you all for watching. Also have a high score feature here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.